Hi everybody, I'm JT and welcome to another video from me here at Campervan Journey. You join me here in my Volkswagen California studio, and today's video is all about just a couple of maintenance aspects. Car's due for its first service, and which we're going to have to organise and fit in around the current lockdown regulations that are about to kick in the UK. But there's a couple of little niggles that I needed to have looked at as well, and I wanted to share those with you and just see if anybody else has had similar experience of this type, these two types of little niggles that we've had as well. Now our van's just over a year old, so they should be covered by warranty, but any comments and feedback about them, please drop them below. It'd be good to hear if anybody else has had similar experience of these types of problems that we've had. So there's two issues. Number one is to do with the side sliding door. So we release the door as normal, slide it back, and then what should happen when we slide back is the retaining catch down at the bottom of the door just automatically slots over the pin or peg. Now you can see, hopefully you can see, that it doesn't do this at the moment. It seems to be an alignment issue that is prohibiting it from doing that. So I can release the catch manually and clip it over, but if we're on a slope or one of the kids has just opened the door and let it slide back, it doesn't automatically clip over and then just ends up bouncing off of this peg pin. So I just wondered if anybody else has had an issue where the retaining catch has come out of alignment or needs readjusting. And then our rear folding seats, the mechanism designed to release so we can fold the back seat into the bed, has also decided not to stop working. Basically, it did work originally, but for some reason that mechanism isn't working, so I just need to check that out as well. But second problem that we've had relates to the folding of the rear bench seat. So should be possible to release the catch mechanisms on a California. On a beach, there's two catches in order to operate this. So a release under here, fabric release that you pull, that you can slide the bench seat backwards and forwards. Hopefully you can see on the graphic display just here. And the bracket here, the release, if you pull this panel out, then what's supposed to happen is it releases the mechanism so you can then fold the whole of the rear bench seat flat to form part of the bed. Now this system, this catch here, has for whatever reason stopped releasing, so we've tried various different ways to try and release it. There's a nylon pull strap on the reverse side of the seat that we've also tried to pull and release, which doesn't release the seat either. So if you've had experiences, or you can give me any comments or feedback as to a retrospective fix, then that would be great to hear. Once the rear seat is folded down in conjunction with the multi-flex board, then it will make the rear seat assembly. The multi-flex board can be slid on the rollers backwards and forwards. If you've watched previous videos of mine, you'll have seen that we don't always have the board in position. We often take it out to provide more storage space. We've decided that we'd reinstall it back in the van. But the secondary release for folding the rear seat is just under these panels in the back here. So by releasing the catches under here, these two nylon straps, you can pull and you should be able to release and slide the seat forward. The folding mechanism is the one that's not working for us at the moment. So any comments or suggestions about what may have caused the seat mechanism and the door catch not to operate correctly will be gratefully received. As I said, we're going to get the van booked in with the Volkswagen workshop in the next few weeks once the lockdown restrictions go back to normal, and get these attended to, which I'm sure will be under manufacturer's warranty. So thanks very much indeed for watching today's video, and if you'd like to keep up to date with everything, all the videos I'm making here at Campervan Journey, remember you can click the button to like and subscribe and be notified as new videos are released onto YouTube. Thanks for watching.